that going. Alright. Welcome back to another YuGiBrohz video. Today, we have some packs that I ended up getting from Target and our local card shop. And combined, we have 5 Dark Crisis, 5 Invasion of Chaos, and 10 Turbo Pack 7s. And just to add a little bit of dessert, we have 2 OTS 15s. And we are going to open these first. Oh boy, okay. I've been sitting on these for a minute. So I'm hoping that I let them cook long enough to see if I got an ultimate rare out of it. Armed Dragon level 5. Amorphous Persona. Dogmatica Punishment. That is pretty good. I'm pretty sure this is still a $12 card. But hey, that's pretty good. I'm going to sleeve that up right quick. Set that off to the side there. Let's pop open our other one. I always start with my dessert first. Okay. Mahama the Fairy Dragon. Rank Up Magic the 7th one. Infernoble Knight Captain Roland. Alright. Nothing. Well, I can't say nothing. Dogmatica Punishment's $12. I gotta double check that. But we will sleeve up that super rare also. And let's start with the Turbo Pack. I want to see. This is like an old set too. I can't remember when it actually came out. But I know our local shop had a bunch of these for sale. And I thought I should buy them for a crazy price. But that's fine. We're not worried about that. Oh, I forgot the rares on the front. So, did get a Lightning Warrior, Black Wing, Ninjutsu Art of Decoy. Let's open another one. I feel like I wanted something spicy out of that. Come on. Ooh, man, those packs suck. Man, I already forgot that it's at the front again. Hey, Gear Town, though. Pretty sure that's the best rare in Turbo Pack 7. Gear Town being my best rare. Dun dun dun. Gokipon. Kotodama. Okay, Invasion of Chaos. What am I gonna get? Am I gonna get the Chaos Emperor Dragon? Let's try to get this Chaos Emperor Dragon. Gonna get it. Death Kangaroo. Oop. Blasting the Ruins. Ojama Yellow. Zero Gravity. That's a pretty good card. Fuhama Shuriken. Just a rare. Ojama Delta Hurricane, Soul Absorption, Garndora, Chaos End. Nothing. Dark Crisis. Exodia Necros. It's the only thing I can remember off the top of my head. Ooh, Maju Garzette. That's pretty good. Agito. Shooting Starbow. Ooh. Ooh, a Guardian Grawl. Ooh, that's a nice ultra rare. That's a nice, yeah. Yeah. Let's get it. Sleeve that up right quick. Wicked Breaking Flamberge. Oh, it's a rare. Incandescent, Final Attack, Despair from the Darkness, Deathcrook Archfiend. Not bad from Dark Crisis. Can we get the one ultimate rare? I'm really bad at doing that. Another Gear Town. Ninjutsu Art. Ooh, Herald of the Orange Light. That's actually, I'm going to set that off to the side because that is a pretty good common. I'm going to open another one of these. Turbo Pack 7. What can you bring me? Can you give me an ultimate rare? There's only one. So just give it to me. I don't want to ruin it. Oh gosh. Okay. Okay. Let's try that. Kodadama. Gokipon. Primal Seed. Nothing but another rare. How many of these do I have left? 2, 4, 6, 7. Okay. Let's go into Invasion of Chaos. Chaos Emperor Dragon. Blackluster Soldier. Demok. Can I get any of them? Oh, Dimension Fusion's in this. Let's see. Blasting the Ruins. Stumbling. Stealth Bird. Stray Lambs. Pretty good. Not a bad rare. Thunder Crash. Chopman. Ojama Delta Hurricane. Alright. Still nothing great out of Invasion of Chaos. Dark Crisis. Got that Guardian Grawl. Can I keep the streak going? Really? Eternal Rest. Ooh, Maju Garzette again. Fear from the Dark. Ray of Hope. Rod of the Mind's Eye. Blind Little Goblin. Goblin Greed. Nothing out of that. Let's open this. Make this a nice even 6. So bad at opening. Oh, right on the front. Dark Horse. I don't know if Dark Horse is worth anything. Ooh, that's nice. That's a nice common. Very, very old school. Very retro. Okay. Invasion of Chaos. I want a Dark Magician of Chaos. Really bad. Inferno. The Thing in the Crater. Stealth Bird. That's a neat card. Oh! Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Oh! Oh, man, let's go, baby! I did it! Oh, I did it! That's super cool! Dude, that's great. Let's go, boys! Oh, man. Alright, the rest of this pack is that. I don't think anything's going to top that today. What was that, 2? Let's open a Dark Crisis. Man. Oh, that's good. Oh, a Sakuretsu Armor. That's pretty good. Okay. Alright, let's keep this up. Drag down into the grave. Outstanding Dog Marin. Non-spellcasting area. Wicked Breaking Flamberge. Thousand Needles. Spell Reproduction. Dark Scorpion. Incandescent Ordeal. I have 6 of these left. Okay. Okay. So let's open. Oh. Oh. Screwed that one up. Tail Swipe. Ooh, Serpent Night Dragon. And Blackwing. Oh. Just gonna blow through it, man. Woo! Gear Town. Let's rip the band-aid off quick. Blackwing. Ooh, Herald of the Orange Light. Nope, let's go back to Invasion of Chaos. Okay. Blackluster Soldier. Dark Magician of Chaos. Another Chaos Emperor Dragon. Are you there? Smashing Ground. Boganigan. Ooh, a super rare. Dedication Through Light and Darkness. I don't think I've ever gotten that one before. Sweet. Ultra Evolution Pill. Lord of Poison. Thunder Crash. Molten Zombie. Hyper Hammerhead. Okay, Dark Crisis. Exodia Necros. Vampire Lord? Ooh, Pandemonium. Frozen Soul. Acrobat Monkey. Battle Footballer. Fear from the Dark. Little Wing Guard, Morale Boost, Incandescent Ordeal, Final Attack. Oh, man. Okay. Turbo Pack 7. Up. Another Lightning Warrior. And that. Okay. Oof. Chaos Emperor Dragon. I've never owned that card. That's super nice. It's a really nice. Dark Horus. Gokipon. Blackwing. 2 of these. Okay. I did this weird, but let's open these 2. Let's make Invasion of Chaos our last one. Up. Dang. No supers so far out of Turbo Pack 7. Okay, let's do this. Up. I was gonna try to do it right and I just didn't. Straight up no foil cards out of Turbo Pack 7. That is rough and that is how it goes. Gear Town's pretty good. Ooh, another Herald. That's 3 Heralds. There's that. Okay, 2 packs left. Dark Crisis. Dark Crisis, what will you bless with me upon this day? I mean, you already gave me Guardian Grawl. Why am I gonna get greedy about that? DD Trainer, Rod of Silence, Infernal Archfiend, Infernal Queen Archfiend, Vilepon, Cyber. Okay, nothing out of that. Let's see what it's gonna give me. Last pack magic. Heart of the Underdog. I forgot that was in here. That's a pretty good common. Balloon Lizard. Cannonball Spear Shellfish. Oh my god. Oh my god. The card's so nice, you pull it twice. Woo! Oh!
Now we need to know. You're just yelling. You're just yelling from the other room.
Hold on. Okay. That's the rest of the pack. Let me just sleeve this up right. Oh, look.
Did you really pull something twice?
Yeah. Holy shit. I got 2 Secret Rare Chaos Emperor Dragons. Let's go, bros.
Are these just packs you've had?
These are packs I've been sitting on for probably a couple weeks now, a few weeks. They've been cooking.
That's gangster.
That's the twins, baby. He's been pulling too good lately, dude.
Here we are sitting on the couch. First, oh my god, we're like, it's fine.
We'll
He's
let
got
him
it.
finish.
Oh
Two,
man.
oh my gods, we gotta go.
The card's so nice you pull it twice.
The card's so nice you pull it twice. Now that you've made it to the end of the video. Dogmatica Punishment from OTS. That's pretty good. I don't think Infernoble Knight Captain's too great. Monetary wise. Dedication Through Light and Darkness. That was our super rare from IOC. Guardian Grawl from Dark Crisis. Did not think I'd get an ultimate rare. That was, or I'm sorry, ultra rare. So that was pretty dope. And hot beans, baby. We ate all the spicy food today. That's amazing. Oh man, I'm glad I sat on those for a little while. Well, thanks for watching yet another YuGiBrohz video. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow our Twitter and Instagram in the description below, and hey, we'll see you next time.